Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the best ways to make money online 2022. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Passion, abilities, strategic thinking, and timing all come together to create the best small business ideas. It might have seemed like a good idea to open that posh CrossFit microbrewery last year, but it's a good thing you didn't, because you'd be closed for the most of 2021 if you had. As businesses move online, the landscape is fast shifting. Indeed, COVID-19 and social alienation hastened the growth of online buying by 4 to 6 years. As a result, many of the small business ideas presented in this article are low-cost online businesses that may be started from home. We'll go over small company ideas in this guide to help you get started thinking about your next enterprise. This handbook is for you, whether you're looking to start a part-time side business or a full-time business. Let's get this party started, shall we? Number 10. Best online small business idea. Start a profitable blog. You're probably selling one of 3 items when you establish a low-cost web business. Time is of the essence / coaching or consulting / owned goods / e-commerce or SaaS / the goods of someone else / affiliate marketing or ads / You may sell all of these through a blog and make the most money from any low-cost online business concept. I used to sell high-end SEO consulting services when I first launched my site in 2019. I added a few digital tools to my website and sold them to my email list after I had more visitors. Today, I'm a member of over 200 affiliate networks and earn over $100,000 a month from my blog, which promotes SaaS products at an 88% profit margin. So, where should you begin? First and foremost, you must disregard typical blogging advice and begin blogging as a company right away. Successful bloggers' advice is to write about your passion so that you can make a decent side income in a few years / they all started 5 to 10 years ago, mind you /. Number 9. Online courses and coaching. Online education platforms have made it easier to share your skills and expertise. You can make a significant amount of money if you are a subject matter expert or enthusiastic about something while building an online coaching business. Small business owners can give students online coaching programs and create a supportive community. You can reach out to people who are looking for online coaching classes by creating a Facebook page or even a podcast. All of these coaching and training-based businesses can be run on a shoestring budget and from the comfort of your own home. You can also get started quickly using online platforms such as Thinkific and Teachable. These platforms allow you to quickly register and begin coaching. With my link below, you can sign up for a 1-month free trial of the Thinkific Pro plan. Number 8. Start an e-commerce business. Retailers are moving online faster than ever before. Thanks to COVID's 4 to 6 year e-commerce acceleration, you can go the Amazon FBA, drop shipping, or full-fledged manufacturing and selling your own products on your own website route with e-commerce. Drop shipping is a good option for beginners because it eliminates the need to fulfill orders, ship them, or have a physical store. One of the most lucrative business concepts is drop shipping. Drop shipping is a process in which online retailers post products from wholesalers, but the drop shipping suppliers handle all shipping. The retailer only needs to generate online orders and send the wholesaler the shipping information. Number 6. Sell custom printed products. Create a brand and sell custom products such as t-shirts, mugs, stickers, bags, and more as an e-commerce option. Many websites will handle the logistics for you. Consider how a company like Printify handles the process. Choose from more than 200 different products to sell. Apply designs to your products using a mock-up generator based on images and graphics. Request samples to ensure that your products are of the quality and feel that you desire. Publish your products and have an e-commerce platform like Shopify automatically sync them. Your product is put into production when you make a sale, and you don't have to worry about manufacturing or shipping. You'll need great designs, a strong brand, and good marketing skills to succeed with a custom printed product business. Number 5. Graphic design. Companies are constantly on the lookout for graphic designers to assist them in developing their brand image. The possibilities are endless, ranging from designing marketing collateral such as banners, posters, and logos to landing pages and websites. You can sell your design skills to small businesses run by people who don't care about how things look. To find relevant work, graphic designers can join freelance websites such as FlexJobs. Number 4. Web development. Over 4 billion people use the internet, and 6 out of 10 small businesses have a website. To meet the rising demand for new website launches, front-end web development is a valuable skill. To hone your skills, begin by creating websites for friends and family. While there are many website builders available to assist small businesses in building their own websites, developers are required for more custom work, and new businesses are always looking for efficient coders at cost-effective prices. You can begin your career by offering competitive prices for your services, and as your portfolio grows, you can gradually turn it into a more profitable business plan. Number 3. Instagram influencer. Consumers are increasingly turning to niche influencers for product advice. Thanks to the rise of social media platforms like Instagram, the truth is that most influencers struggle to sway purchase decisions. Sure, we enjoy looking at their photos, but are we likely to purchase a product that they suggest? No, it's usually the case. That's why you should cater to a small, active group of people. Engagement is more important than follower counts. You must first decide on a niche. It could be about anything from technology to marketing to beauty and fitness. Make sure you choose a niche for which you have a lot of enthusiasm and for which you can produce a lot of content. Then, by posting engaging content and discussing useful topics relevant to your target audience, you must establish a strong Instagram following. There are many social media marketing tools available to help you schedule posts in advance, so you don't have to worry about coming up with new content all of the time. You can get paid to promote products through sponsored content. Once you have a large following, it takes a lot of work to succeed as an influencer, and not everyone can do it. Number 2. Phone case business. More than 2.5 billion people use smartphones worldwide, and the number is growing every day. Smartphone users' best business concepts. Smartphone cases are one of the most popular mobile phone accessories because nearly everyone has one. As a result, by selling a high volume of cases, some mobile case sellers can earn 6 or 7 figures. Although the competition is fierce, you can begin by testing your phone case ideas on Amazon FBA before launching a full-fledged website. Choose unique designs that appeal to a specific audience when designing your cases. To create a collection of smartphone cases that your target market will buy, you'll need to be creative and innovative. In its first year, one popular Etsy shop sold $60,000 worth of handcrafted cases. The goal is to carve out a niche that is all your own. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. For quite some time, it has been a marketing buzzword. Many people immediately think of affiliate marketing when they are asked how to make passive income online. Affiliate programs are created by brands that want to sell products online and allow affiliates, publishers, and bloggers to promote their products and earn commissions. According to one study, affiliate marketing accounts for 38% of the income of bloggers earning between $7.5 and $25.000. In simple terms, it's a tried-and-true business model in which bloggers and influencers promote services or products they like or find useful and are compensated a percentage of sales. It's a fantastic way to earn money while you're sleeping, and it's an ideal business model for bloggers. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.